Hey guys, Swiftco Rat Performance. So, this is a quick way if you only have your local hardware store and you need to convert your thing to your little rusty diff or rusty chassis, whatever you got. Spin the bottle. It's a Loctite rust dissolver. It's $10. It's like a navel jelly. I'll show you it after he's done. Basically, you can brush it on, or if you have a way, you can spray it on. I have done that as well. All you got to do is coat it, and then eventually this will turn black after you let it sit. It's going to be, you'll see when I take the next clip, it fully neutralizes the rust and it leaves you with a nice surface. You can either leave it if you think it looks good enough, or you could go over it and paint it and lock it in so that way it doesn't rust ever again. He's just applying it on with a brush. This stuff tends to work very well. For not a lot of money, you can get rid of a whole lot of rust. Okay guys, so as you can see, this side catalyzed pretty nicely. It doesn't have that reddish rusty look anymore. It has more of that black subdued look. So honestly, this product is pretty good. You can apply it multiple times to get better results, but it's definitely worth the $10, I'd say. Alrighty guys, see you in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe.